Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the AccuPark RV Slide Out Indicator. When parking your RV in an area with limited space, you can't always safely determine if your slide out will fully extend without hitting anything nearby. The RV Slide Out Indicator temporarily attaches to the side of your RV with its mechanical suction cup and features a high visibility flag to help gauge the distance between your RV and any surrounding objects, helping you to park with confidence. The rod itself is 44 inches and can be trimmed down to equal the length of your RV slide out. To use, fully extend your RV slide out in a clear area. Choose a spot on the side of your RV beside the slide out where you can see it from the rearview mirror. Attach the suction cup on the side of your RV by pressing it against the side and turning the knob clockwise until it's secure. Insert the rod into the rod holder and pull the tension ring until it's tight. The flag should be facing outward. Measure the length of rod that extends past the edge of the slide out. This is the length that you will trim off the tail end of the rod. Apply tape around the area that you plan on cutting to help prevent the rod from splitting. Use a blade with a serrated edge to trim the rod. Finally, slide the trimmed end of the rod back into the suction cup and secure with the tension ring. When you're parking in between surrounding objects such as trees or other RVs, keep an eye on the high visibility flag. If the flag comes into contact with anything while you're parking, that means you won't be able to fully extend your RV slide out in that area. If the flag doesn't hit anything, you're good to go. So there you have it, the AccuPark RV Slide Out Indicator from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.